Did you just buy your first starter home? Or perhaps you're getting ready to sell so you can upgrade to a bigger house? Either way, you probably have at least a few renovations in mind, and that means you're going to need a great contractor. Who can you rely on to get the job done right? Hi, my name is Laura Jewett, and I'm a real estate agent with the Inspired Living Real Estate Collective at Platinum Living Realty. And I help homeowners get their homes ready for market so that they can sell their house for the best price possible in the quickest amount of time. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you all about how you can find a quality contractor right here in Scottsdale. Before we get into the content, I want to share a story about some clients of mine, Todd and Diane. Todd and Diane recently decided to expand their family, and as a result, they needed to upgrade to a bigger home with more space. Their current home needed a few upgrades before it was ready to hit the market. Looking to cut costs, Todd and Diane found a contractor online who was offering a discount for anyone willing to pay in cash. Long story short, the contractor took their cash payment and eventually abandoned the job, leaving the renovations unfinished. Luckily, as their listing agent, I was able to recommend a contractor from my database of contacts. This was a contractor I'd worked with many times, so I knew they'd be reliable and efficient. If Todd and Diane had come to me first, they could have saved a lot of time, hassle, and money. So the moral of the story is to work with a real estate agent who can put you in touch with tried and true contractors, lenders, and more, as well as advise on the best improvements to make to maximize your return on investment and provide the insight into the finishes that buyers are looking for to appeal to the largest pool of buyers. Now, here's how you can find the right contractor for your home renovations here in Scottsdale. Before you get started looking for a contractor, there are a few signs and red flags to look out for. Signs you've picked a reliable contractor. Number 1, they're responsive and punctual. Number 2, they provide written estimates and quotes. Number 3, they willingly provide references, proof of insurance, and any other requests you have. Number 4, they're respectful of your property. Number 5, they don't demand full payment up front. Some warning signs for contractors include: Number 1, they are pushy or try to rush you. Number 2, they don't have a contract for you to sign. Number 3, they want cash payment or full payment up front. Number 4, they tell you permits aren't needed. Number 5, they leave a messy workspace. Use the internet as a starting point. Generally, the first place we turn when we need anything is the internet, so it makes sense that you would start your contractor search here. But the internet should be used as a preliminary method only. I'm not saying you can't find an amazing contractor online. Of course you can, but there's also a big margin for error online. We can't always trust internet reviews as those can be purchased nowadays, and the last thing you want is to pay big bucks for a 5-star contractor who ends up doing a 1-star work. Ask your realtor. Real estate agents almost always have a database of contractors, lenders, and other useful services that they are happy to recommend to you. As an agent myself, I know that when I recommend a contractor to a client, I am putting my reputation on the line as well. As such, I only recommend my tried and true contractors that I work with on a regular basis. So it's a safe bet that your real estate agent has done their due diligence before settling on a contractor to recommend to you. Look for yard signs. When you're out for a walk in your neighborhood, keep your eyes peeled for yard signs. Oftentimes, after a contractor does work on a home, they will leave a sign in the homeowner's front yard with their name and contact information on it. This is a good indication that A, the homeowner was pleased with the job, and B, that the contractor is proud of their own work. Ask a friend. Contractor referrals don't always have to come from a professional. If you have a friend or family member who recently had renovations done on their home, don't be afraid to ask them which contractor they used. If your friend had a good experience, odds are you will too. At the end of the day, finding a great contractor is easy when you have a reliable real estate agent on your side, helping you every step of the way. Now, if you're looking to sell your home, I can help you get it ready for market so that you will get the best price possible. So if that's what you want, my email is laura@azinspiredliving.com. My phone number is 480-628-2563. You can also direct message me on Facebook. Just search Inspired Living Collective. Or you can direct message me on Instagram. My username is @InspiredLivingCollective. And even if you're not looking to buy or sell a home right now, but you want to learn more about the market, the process, and other mistakes to avoid and best practices to do, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I create lots of educational content. And click on the bell icon so you get notified when a new video comes out. Or again, just reach out. I love helping people. I love real estate, and thank you for watching.